Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about some questions, daily routine questions, and I'm asking and I will add on my insights also. Okay, so let's start the video. So the first question is, how's your morning going on?
My morning is going well and productive. Thanks for asking me.
Okay, in this way you will answer anybody. Hey, yes, thanks for asking. My morning is going really well, productive. Okay, so the next question is, did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept well last night because I sleep every night in 9:30 p.m. and I woke up every morning 6:30 a.m.
Yeah, this is very good thing she mentioned. Like I usually go to bed at 9:30 and I woke up at 5:30 or 6 because nowadays I'm inculcating the habit of yoga or exercising. So that's why I also do the same thing. Okay, so next question is, uh, what's the plan for today? Is there anything special or as usual? Tell me.
Today plan for me like as usual, like every day, I think.
Yeah, if you ask me, yes, my plan is also same because I go out for some times. So I distracted, and today's a network is there's a network issue in my house, so that's the thing. And I cancel my all of the session. So let's see what happens. And I'm going to talk about 2-3 person in evening. That was usual day, I think. Okay, so move to the next question. Next question is, any special plan for next weekend? Because today is also Sunday, so I don't ask what your plan for today now. So is there any something special for next Sunday?
Yeah, I don't have planning to weekends like that, but I have things to special for next weekends.
Okay, if you ask me, I rarely go out to visit my friend's house or to enjoy something else. So yes, my plan is also as usual same. And in Sunday, I want to make something different, like some reels or something different. I do the more task related to studies or YouTube. Yeah. Okay. The next question is, how do you have your tea, coffee, or breakfast? Because now it's afternoon, so had you lunch or not?
Yes, I had also done my lunch, and now I am um taking a breakfast like in evening breakfast. Yeah.
Okay, so as for now, now it's like going to evening, like after 4 p.m. So I had my, I'm going to had my evening snacks. So yes, we are enjoying. So bye bye. Thank you so much for listening me so carefully. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.